Collision-Avoidance Assist detects vehicles or pedestrians in front of or behind the vehicle and assists with braking to help prevent collisions. The Forward Collision Avoidance Assist feature detects vehicles, pedestrians, or cyclists ahead and provides audible alerts and warning messages. If it determines that a collision is imminent, it assists with braking to help avoid the collision. At intersections and on multi-lane roads, the system can assist with braking if it detects a risk of collision with a vehicle ahead. It also provides evasive steering support when changing lanes if there is an oncoming or lateral vehicle. If vehicles, pedestrians, or cyclists are detected in your lane, the system will assist with evasive steering. Blind Spot Collision Avoidance Assist detects vehicles approaching the blind spot or from the rear lateral at a high speed and alerts the driver. If a potential collision risk is detected, it also assists with braking. When the driver activates the turn signal, the blind spot monitor turns on, displaying rear traffic information on the cluster for improved visibility.